Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi and Assalamualaikum. Today I will present to you about my project report for Majlis Bandar Raya Johor Bahru, and our lab section is 01C and our lecture's name is Nurwajatul Akmaliza. I will present to you my group mate. First of all, I will introduce myself. That is, I am a project manager and my name is Muhammad Aminul Mubarak Chong bin Amir, and my student ID is CB23038. And we also have Muhammad Fahmi bin Muhammad Razali. His ID is CB23021, and Fahmi is a system analyst. Thirdly, we also have Muhammad Aizul Azhan bin Abdul Halim, and his student ID is CB23044, and Aizul is a system designer. Other than that, we also have Muhammad Alif Aiman bin Azhar, and his ID is CB2301120, and Alif Aiman is a programmer for this project. And lastly, we also have Abdullah Abdul Kadir Ahmed Babutin, and his ID is CA19147, and Abdullah is a tester for our project. First of all, I will explain to you on my case study for Majlis Bandar Raya Johor Bahru website. Majlis Bandar Raya Johor Bahru website team is to strengthen Johor Bahru resilience toward an international, cultured and sustainable city council. The Majlis Bandar Raya Johor Bahru website is a city council website that provides a lot of services for Johor Bahru citizens, such as property tax payment. Other than that, the website also provides business services such as business license, premise rent, that are owned by city council, tender, quotation archive, and law for businesses. There are also a lot of information for visitors about Johor Bahru, such as Johor Bahru has a lot of transportation service, interesting destination, recreational places, and also institutions of higher education that are located in Johor Bahru. Lastly, for citizens of Majlis Bandar Raya Johor Bahru, there are also human resource management, e-local authorities, and a public complaint management system. For any inquiry about Majlis Bandar Raya Johor Bahru service, there are also contact information for any question you have, and for any update about it, there are also a social media provided in the website. The theme of this website is to strengthen Johor Bahru resilience toward an international, cultural and sustainable city, and this is the link for the website.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Fahmi bin Muhammad Razali. I am a system analyst. My metric number is CB23021. First question is introduction of the website. Objective of the portal. The objective of MBJB portal is provide information and services to the citizens and visitors of MBJB. The portal also aims to give a good experience to citizens and visitors of MBJB when they are browsing the portal. Next is info services by MBJB. MBJB portal provide summary of the vision and mission of MBJB. Provides the media release and newsletter that published by MBJB. Next is provide information about geography and population of Johor Bahru. Citizen in Johor Bahru can easily find this information by browsing the website, the MBJB website. Next is expectation of software engineering involvement in the portal. In MBJB portal, it involves the application of systematic, discipline, and quantified approach This approach can help to improve the quality and productivity of the MBJB portal.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aizat Azhar bin Abdul Halim. I'm as a system designer. My metric number is CB23044. Okay, for the second question, I need to suggest two new API, which is Application Programming Interface. The geolocation API allows the users to provide their location to web applications. Web apps that have authorization from users to access geolocation data can do so through the geolocation API. The site might give consumers information about the closest MBJB locations, events, and concerns along with routes, contact information, and ways to submit feedback. By boosting convenience, personalizations, and users' experience, this API will increase the portal functionality and performance. The geolocation API is a public API. And second API is a chatbot API. Chatbot API is a collection of documents that allow users to connect their channels with the chatbot software and add more functionality to the chatbot. These features enable you to incorporate the chatbot into your website, social media accounts, and additional messaging services. With the help of this API, the portal would be able to incorporate a chatbot that can communicate with users and respond to their questions, requests, and comments. For instance, the chatbot could assist users with payments, reservations, complaints, and policy and statistical information regarding MBJB. This API would facilitate quicker, simpler, and more interactive service delivery and communication, thereby enhancing the portal's functionality and performance. Since it will only be available to the portals, authorized users, this API will be considered private. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Al-Fa'iman bin Azhar and I am the programmer of this project. So, I will present about 3 types of user testing. The first one is alpha testing. Why we choose the alpha testing? Alpha testing for the Majlis Bandaraya Johor MBJB website is to ensure that the software function as intended and is free of critically before it gets exposed to user. It also will allow the development team to access the website features such as the e-directory and online service. How it gonna work? The development team and user will work to conduct this test at the MBJB developer site, which is the test will be executed to validate the function like property tax payment and business service and the e-directory. It also will involve identifying and addressing any issue related to performance, functionality, and usability. Next, beta testing. Beta testing is crucial for MBJB website to gather all the feedback from large citizen and user. So it will help us to identify potential issue that might not be detected during alpha testing and ensure the website adaptability to different user. How the beta testing will run? A release of the MBJB website will made available to a selected group of user, which include citizen, business, and others. This user will explore the features such as online service, e-directory, and transportation information. So, the feedback will be on usability and performance, and any issue will be collected and analyzed. Lastly, user acceptance testing is the final stage of the software development in which an user and client test the software to ensure that the website will be able to function properly within suite of system. So that it helps us to know that the system is aligned with the requirement needed. How it gonna work? During the testing, it involves collaboration between project manager and developer to see how the website will function in real world scenario. It also will determine and verify all the features and functionality such as service, e-community, and e-participation. This will ensure that the software meets all the requirements and operates properly without any trouble. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdullah Abdul Qadir Babatin. My matric ID is CA19147. And today, inshallah, I will present to you question 4. By reviewing your case study, identify and describe the functional requirements and related non-functional requirements to the identified functional requirements. For the first functional requirements is online payment system. The system should provide an online payment system. The website enables the user to securely make their online payment for service like tax and business license and public facilities rental. So user can pay their business license online by clicking on Bambrayan, Dalan Talian, and clicking the e-Khadamat option on the website homepage to eliminating the need to visit the MBJB office in person. For the non-functional requirements that is related to the functional requirement is security requirements. Since the website handles user information, the user financial information, the online payment section with links to banking service like Maybank, CIMB, and etc. The online payment system must be secure and protect the user sensitive information such as credit card and debit card details. So the MBJB website should use the encryption protocols such as HTTPS and SSL to ensure that all transactions are encrypted and secure. For the second functional requirement is user-friendly. So user can access the service and promoting offered by MBJB. The interface should have a simple and clean design that's easy to use and understand. User should be able to find what they are looking for quickly and easy, without having a wide through layers of menus or confusing options. For example, after the user enters the MBJB website, the user will be offered a various promotion that give the user opportunity to get a special discount or offers. The text display make it simple and easy for user to understand and use when they click on promotion to get promotion they want. For non-functional requirements that is related to the functional requirements is usability. It will enhance the user experience and motivate user utilities in BGB service. The design of the website should make it easy for user to navigate the page and locate the information they require and complete the task at hand. This can be achieved through conducting user testing and applying user feedback to improve the usability of the website. For instance, even if you are unfamiliar with the technology, the MBJB website feature which is a traffic that allow you to locate the CCTV around Bandaraya Johor Bahru is fairly simple to use. And to view the location of choice, the user only needs to click the CCTV symbol on Google Map. With the help of this kind of feature, user can easily and quickly locate the information they need on their own without any assistance. For the function requirements is managed business. The system should provide a lot of business knowledge to the newcomers in business to make sure their business is legal by law. This feature really help the newcomers. It helps the newcomers because it will provide without the need to open many websites to apply for business license. Gain knowledge about business law or rental premise. Everything is well provided because every detail such as addresses, phone number, and email or any specific for any specific question about business is provided for newcomers. For example, the user want to know how to get license to start a business. The user can easily get the information about license from the business management site. For the non-functional requirements that is related to this functional requirements is loading time. It's very crucial because a fast loading website makes the user experience better and all the information on the website is exposed. The system loading time takes only a few seconds to finish the loading process. For example, all the important business details only took almost 2 seconds to be exposed on the website. It will make the user feel pleased because they will not waste their precious time waiting for the load time. For the next function requirement is appointment. The system should allow the user to book their appointment online with MBJB website. The newcomer user should create their account first to book by inserting their name, ID number, phone number, and email. This feature allows the user to book their appointment with the local council for the various service and propose, such as health consultation, even proposal and general inquiries in the resolution. This means the citizens can schedule meeting and seek help without being restricted by regular office hours or the need to physically visit the council office. The user that have already made their appointment can check their status application whether their application is approved or not. For the non-function requirements that is related to this function requirements is efficiency requirements. It helps to manage the user times, which the user can schedule their appointment according to the available time slot. This would also reduce waiting time and potentially overcrowding at the council office. This is also an easy for the MBJB local council to rearrange their schedule by updating the stats on appointment feature. And for the last function requirement is e-directory. The system shall provide the user easier access to display an Ahli Majlis in details on Majlis Bandaraya Johor Bahru website. This feature gives the user the easiest and most detailed information about any staff and most detailed information about any staff is working in MBJB. By clicking an e-directory, then typing his name or her name and his department, it will show the staff photo, department and phone number and fax and even email. For example, if a user has a problem with public transportation, they can find and detail in department of transportation in e-directory, which is phone number for more assistance. For the non-function requirement that is related to this function requirement, that is the e-directory, the non-function requirement is reliability. The system should deliver an accurate and up-to-date information in the e-directory Majlis Bandaraya Johor Bahru, the MBJB website. The users such as citizens or businesses can get the detail provided including photo and department information, phone number, fax and email address, which are current and trustworthy, and it's crucial to maintain the credibility of the information to present and trust among users who rely on the e-directory for accurate and dependable information about Ahli Majlis. Thank you.